Gareth Edwards, dal I dir. Burns. Dal yna I Andrew Burns. Robles. That's Venables. Mae Henry Jones yn y cwrt. Henry Jones! Y Bala ar y blaen. Symudiad syml. 9 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Y bêl yn sgwar am ddiffyn Caernarfon ar chwal. A Henry Jones yn rhwydo. Nathan Craig yn camu fyny. Chwipio hi fewn i'r cwrt ac yna'r cliriad allan gan Robles. Cavanagh Craig yn mynd ben fanna. A mae Nathan Craig I lawr yn llonydd fan hyn. Dydy Nathan Craig ddim wedi symud o gwbl fan hyn. A mae hein yn funudau pryderus iawn. Nathan Craig gorfod gadael y cae ar y stretcher. Smith. Cyfnewid y bas efo Bradley. Yn ôl at Leo Smith. Smith troi yn aill ffordd ar llall heibio I Mendes cael ei grisiad I fewn. Y cyffyrddiad at Bris! Fymryn heibio'r postyn. Cyfle clir. Gwaith da gan Kai Jones. Oedd Bris yn cam sefyll. Nag oedd, kick goal. Cyfle clir i'r cofis. Pawb yn hanner yr ymwelwyr ag eithio golwr y Bala. Leslie yn ddofn at yr ochr bella'r peniad yn ôl. A hwnna dros y llinell. Leslie ar gic rydd. Y peniad yn ôl gan Spittle a bron I Ramsey I gwiro hi i'w rwyd I hun. Cavanagh. Kai Jones. Yn ôl at Cavanagh mae yna I Caernarfon ond Spittle yn gwneud yn dda, gnedych I ryddhau Venables. Gareth Edwards, Venables yn ei dwy'n I ydy hi'n ddwy. Venables! Yr ymestyn mantais y Bala. Yr ail i'r tîm cartra. Gôl rhif 18 I Chris Venables y tymor hwn. Cavanagh at Brookwell. Brookwell mae dal yna I Bris! A'r bêl yn cael ei chlirio gan Spittle. Arbediad campus gan Tibbets. Golwr allan yn sydyn. Smith. Leo Smith. Hyfryd. Ac yna'r drosedd gan Leo Smith. Mae yna gerdyn coch yn fan hyn I Leo Smith. Mi giciodd allan ar Nathan Burke. Ar ôl iddo fo basio'r bêl. A mae noson Caernarfon yn mynd o ddrwg I waith. Henry Jones ar gic gornel i'r Bala. A'r golwr yn ei gollwng hi ac oedd hi'n hawdd I Johnny Spittle. Camgymeriad sydd yn crynhoi noson Caernarfon gan y golwr Alex Ramsey. Yn ei gollwng hi, wel I flaen troed Johnny Spittle. Burns, ar clir Gareth Evans, Venables yn ei dwy'n I. Leslie os ath Hayes amseru'r ediad. Cyfnewid I Lee Molyneux yr eilydd. Molyneux I wneud ti'n bedair. Meddyliau bod ti'n bedair a Lee Molyneux. Mae o'n gwybod hynny. Pas hyfryd yn rhyddhau Molyneux. Yn diergyd o fymryn eibio'r nod.
Sean, I've got to ask first of all, what's the situation with Nathan Craig?
I got a brief update from Rhys, the physio. I think he's on his way to Ysbyty Gwynedd. It was an horrendous one, really, to be fair. But you know, did it overshadow the game? Possibly so. But you know, we've had a chat there in the changing rooms, and I think even before that, we've maybe started a little bit slower than what we liked, and then. You know, to be fair, we lost Nathan, then we lost Griff. 15 minutes later. And it just dictated the night, really, to be fair. You know, full credit to Bala, they fully deserved the win. We were totally outfought, totally outplayed. The 3 points, was fully deserved from their part. But yeah, we just got to find out how Nathan is. So I think he's going to be kept under observation. And yeah, hopefully we'll get a better update tomorrow.
There should have been a lot more. I think we've let them off. I think as the game went on in the last 20-30 minutes, we had great chances. Molyneux, Hayes going through. And it's just wave after wave, really. I think we've let them off with one today. Josh has made one save in the game, and we've totally dominated the game, to be fair. I thought we were outstanding today. I was critical of the lads on Boxing Day, but I can't fault them today. The only thing I can fault them with is that with the breaks and passes in and around the box, we should have been better. There's
going to be teams that are below us, possibly rubbing their hands now. We're going to lose Leo now, for the running. But we've discussed that in the dressing room, and despite it being petulant, he's kicked out at Nathan Burke, and it's a red card. I thought it was a foul previous. He's just been brought back, but was it the frustration of the whole night that got the better of Leo? Probably so. But it's a red card. He's kicked out. He's held his hand up in the change room there. But at the end of the day, Bryn, we don't have problems, we have solutions. So we're going to get together again this week, and we'll have a tough game down at Penabont there on Saturday.